All right, welcome back to the channel for another video. So about a month ago, I dropped a video on the Potensic Atom 2. I flew it around, gave my thoughts, you know, the usual let's see if this thing explodes or not type of review. And apparently, I started a war. Yeah, a full-blown comment section Facebook group drone civil war. Now, I don't usually hang out in Facebook groups, like ever. Mainly because, well, let's be honest, those places can get a little spicy. But I figured, hey, people in this Potensic group are always asking questions, trying not to waste money. Maybe my video helps somebody out. So I post it. And then, boom. The drone elitist Avengers assemble. All right, so today we're gonna read some comments. We're gonna address them. And we're gonna bring a little bit of reality back into the conversation. Because, just wow. All right, so let's start with the highlight reel. Now, this one's special. So after watching the video, this person comments, and I quote, "One short error-filled flight and he's saying it's a DJI Killer. You'd think he would have made sure his SD card worked properly and things were updated and set up correctly before going out to fly instead of flailing around for 5 to 10 minutes like a fish out of water. With such an amateurish presentation, you gotta wonder if he's ever actually flown a DJI. Well, first of all, a fish out of water? Really? Okay, so let's clear a few things up. Number one, the thumbnail said DJI Killer. It's a thumbnail caption, not a declaration of war. Welcome to YouTube. Number two, the SD card situation, yeah, it failed. You know, like SD cards do sometimes. I formatted it, tested it, did everything right. Then I go out to film and suddenly it's like, nope, I don't feel like working today. Cool, awesome, I love that for me. So I go get a new card, finish the video, problem solved. If you've never had gear fail in mid-shoot, I don't believe you. And then, has he ever flown a DJI comment? I literally say in the video multiple times that I own DJI drones. Like, that wasn't hidden information. That wasn't a plot twist. That was in the video. But hey, just out of curiosity, I checked out his profile, you know, for research purposes. And let's just say, multiple crash drones, failed Part 107 twice, and currently no drone. But yeah, I'm the amateur. Got it. Now look, I'm not here to roast anyone. I even told the guy, sincerely, I hope he has a better day. Because at the end of the day, if you gotta tear somebody else down over a drone video, there's something else going on. So let's move on. Now, a lot of people asked about the controller comparison, and this got blown way out of proportion. So let me simplify it. The Potensic controller feels better in my hands. That's it. That's the review. Not it's better than DJI in every way. Not DJI should shut down immediately. Just, it's more comfortable. That's a personal preference. Humans, we have different hands. Shocking, I know. Then we get into the you can't compare this to DJI crap. Because, wait for it, it doesn't have obstacle avoidance. Okay, and? Obstacle avoidance is great, especially for beginners. But here's the truth that nobody likes to say. If you actually know how to fly your drone, you shouldn't be relying on it to not crash. FPV pilots, for example, no obstacle avoidance. And somehow, they're not just smashing into buildings every 30 seconds. Why? Because they know their gear. Also, quick reality check. Go back to DJI's earlier minis. The Mini SE, SE2, no obstacle avoidance, no fancy tracking, and people love them. Then there's the image quality argument. DJI is just better. Okay, well, depends. The Mini SE and SE2 were 2.7K, Mini 4 Pro is 4K, and the Potensic is 4K. But here's the kicker. Most people are watching your footage on YouTube, which compresses the life out of everything. So unless you're pixel peeping on a 4K monitor, you're probably not seeing a massive difference. And honestly, I'm kind of curious. So in an upcoming video, I'm putting them all side by side. Potensic Atom 2 the Mini SE, the Mini SE2, and the Mini 4 Pro. And we're gonna see, for real, what actually holds up. No opinions, just footage. So let's bring this back down to earth. Do I think potensic is gonna kill DJI? No, not even close. But do I think it's a solid option for people who don't want to spend a ton of money? Yeah, absolutely. At the end of the day, fly what you can, use what you have, and don't let random people on the internet decide what's allowed to be good. Anyway, drop your thoughts in the comments. Just maybe don't come in swinging like a Facebook warrior, all right? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for more videos. Also, hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab 1 or 2 of my new 2026 photo prints, as well as my Lightroom presets pack that I personally use for all my photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later.